Yeah, that's a great idea because in this session we talk to people.
Okay. So welcome everyone. Welcome back. I hope you all enjoy your breakout room discussions, small breakout room discussions. So would love to know each of you or any one of you or randomly, I will ask questions to you people. How was your discussions? Okay, in your breakout room. By that way, you will improve your skill, the speaking skill in the public. So let me talk with Kishore. Yes, Kishore, how was your discussion in
Was
breakout
nice.
room? Kishore, are you there? Can you unmute yourself?
Will we take a
Hello,
picture?
Hari.
Yes,
Yes,
hello.
yes. Wait, Kishore.
Hello, I'm there.
Yes, Kishore. Just wait for a minute.
Wait for a minute.
It's time for a photograph where all people are coming back from breakout room and when all people are going to breakout room. And even when people all are there into the breakout room, all the time photograph is required because these all are sweet memories. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, it's
uh,
amazing.
so this is the page one. We have two pages. So I will quick in 2 minutes. With first page, I request you guys. So guys who open up the camera, they would be directly shifted from page two to page one. Okay. If you open your camera, you will be there in page one. Okay.
Tim, where are you from?
Ready? Three, two,
Hello.
and yes, Henry, I will allow you to talk with team. But this is the time for photograph. Thank you. Okay. This is the first page. And now I will take photo of second page. We have two pages of people. Wow.
Hello, Mrs. Huang.
Okay, welcome. Yes, Henry. You want to say to team? You asking to team where he?
Hello.
You are from the communist area.
I'm a
I
communist.
see.
Yeah. I'm
No,
Cuban.
Mao Zedong, Mao Zedong.
Maksud
Ho Chi Minh, Ho Chi Minh. Ho 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 Chi
Oh,
Minh, Ho Chi Minh. Hey
oh,
hey
yes,
Ho Chi
yes.
Minh. Xin chào, xin chào.
yes, right. Thank you.
Okay, guys. So I just want to know with only 4 to 5 people, how was your discussions in your small breakout room? I will ask to uh, Azita. Yes, Azita, you can start. How was your discussion in your breakout room?
Was great as always. We have more members, and we talk about some questions and share our opinion about something.
Okay, great.
About about our thoughts about them. It was great. Thank you for providing this kind of topics.
Thank you. Okay, now we'll love to ask to Sky. Yes, Sky, how was your discussion?
Yeah, it is amazing, sir.
Amazing.
I like it for this kind of yeah. I like it.
So which
I love it for
question?
this discussion. A very amazing question, sir. I
Okay.
love it the question because it's the parity of the humanity and the people.
Thank
Very
you.
interesting.
The questions were designed by our scientist, the rocket scientist Shashiraj.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. God bless you, Sasira, sir.
Okay, fine. So guys, let me it's time for close up the sessions. Anybody wants to say anything? It's a free time.
Oh.
Yes, sir. I want to say.
Yes, Kishore, please.
No.
Who said?
Henry wants to stay
Yeah.
here. He don't
Yes,
want
I
to
want
close
to.
the session. Right. Please go on.
I want to say that today's question was very good. It was very easy,
Okay.
and it was a good partnership with Eduardo, Jahid, and with one lady.
Okay.
And it was a very good conversation with the questions of
Thank
the
you.
PDF. Yeah, thank you so much for this question.
Right.
And thank you for Shashiraj for conducting these questions.
Thank you, Kishore, for being here. Yes, Arun Bhatia, Arunji, how was your
No,
discussion?
not Bhatia, sir. It's Butalia.
Oh my God, it get confused because
Mr.
I am
Jai,
Yeah.
talk less, please. Talk
It
less.
was
okay.
it was wonderful conversation with Mr. Alam and Paresh sir and Marco sir. They are all questions. We have left of 2 questions there and below the 7 and 8, something like that. So we good conversation. We conversation about the that's the education after school, after the college, something like that. Some theoretical knowledge or practical knowledge. So it's very good questions. Questions also very good, and
Thank you.
conversation is also very good.
Thank
you
you.
for Mr. Sasraz. Is good. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay,
Thank
now Dinah, you raise your hand. Unmute your mic. Then
Yes,
team.
yes, sir. Thanks for giving me chance. And I would like to say, in our breakout room, there was so interesting. You know what? Because at first time, there were 3 ladies there, 3 princes. So we talked too much about gossiping. So all the questions, we just finished 3 questions. You know? Oh my goodness.
You need to say thank you to Dr. Hong. You need to say thank you to Dr. Hong. She puts all you 3 ladies together.
Oh yeah, that's why I'm saying you. Oh my goodness, Sally and Carol and me. You
Oh
know.
my God.
Thank you, sir.
You know, you have lots of topic to discuss. Give us some topic. Being as a host, we need to identify new topics. Okay.
Yeah.
So you need to give
Maybe
us any topic so we can create this kind
no,
of Zoom meeting.
there was no topic at all. Sorry, sir, to say because you know gossiping is not necessary to talk. So it's so funny, but no topic at all.
Perfectly fine that you are doing gossiping, but that is in English, not in your native language, right?
Of course, because we are from the different country, you know.
Right. That's perfectly fine. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Yes, MD Manjur.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. Yeah, you know, I want to become a strong communicator,
Mhm.
and sometimes we want perfection. But from my side, I want to see myself as a embody and perfection. Okay,
Right.
so we discuss lot of things and lot of participants from the different parts of the world. It's
Mhm.
really helpful for all of us to learn this language properly. And this platform is really helpful and doing the all the things as a charismatic way. Okay, I like this too much
Right.
because I want to go forward, not backward.
Right.
So this platform is really helpful and too much encourageable to learn English language properly. So
Yes.
I want to give thanks all of you, those are taking initiatives, and also all the participants. Those are really helpful in the breakout room and also the main room.
Right.
So we learn each and others. So it's very, very amazing to me.
Right.
And I think all of you are agree with me.
Of
Thank you
course.
very much.
So, you are saying very correct word that, I am also participants like you before 6 months ago. Right now, I am hosting this kind of Zoom meeting. So we love to create you. We love to develop you through this kind of platform. We are here to provide you info, to provide you to courage to speak up. You are able to speak individually, one to one. You are able to speak in small group discussion in your breakout room. This is a main platform where almost 40 people are here to listen you. If you able to get confident enough to speak in this platform, you can speak anywhere in the world. Okay.
Yes, sir. I
So
agree
just
with your
just be
opinion.
confident and try to speak whenever you get opportunity.
Yes,
I
yes,
want,
sir.
each and every
Yes.
person speak like this way. We provide you platform. Okay, thank you. Yes, team, you want
That's,
to add on something?
well, that's what I wanted to say. I was in a room with children.
Okay.
They were talking. They were talking.
Right.
Anybody here too afraid to talk?
Right. So become, you need to become a
Youngest, the
children.
youngest one wouldn't stop talking. Just
Because shy.
Right.
Because
That was
shy, sir. Sorry.
Right. That's amazing. You know, the kind of job you were doing to teaching kids, that's not easy task. And we really respect your presence to be here in this group. And
they were so quiet the first 2 times they saw me. They're better. Thank you for Dr. Wong for helping. Yeah, they're better now.
You know, Dr. Hong take this initiative to taking the class to the students, taking the class to the small kids. And, you know, she is very much familiar. Each and every kid, they love her very much. Okay. So by that way, you know, they get attachment with Dr. Hong. Whenever they see Dr. Hong, wow, oh my God, my teacher is here. They feel like real teacher. Thank you for both of you to having this session. Yes, Paresh.
Thank you.
Paresh, we also want to smile. Can you give us the joke which you smile for?
Yeah. No. See, team sirs are talking and so laughing, and he is so enjoying. Every time he is enjoying and listen and see, so
Right.
time enjoying and laughing. This time, this page also and inspire me. Anytime you listen and see, inspiring every
Wow.
time.
Great.
So thank you, sir.
So, you know,
You're welcome. Very welcome.
Thank you, all of you also.
Okay. So team has that kind of personality, you know, that can make any person happy. He has that kind of character. Wherever he goes, the smile will goes with him. Okay, the kind of positivity. Each and every person, many person have that kind of positivity. You know, when you talk with him, you can feel it. Okay. Anybody, Devi, you want to say something? Just unmute your mic, Devi. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Miss Huang and Mr. Tim.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay, thank you. So Soliha, this is your first day, right? I guess in this Zoom.
No, it's actually my second or my
Second
third
day.
times here.
Okay, so how was your
Yeah.
discussion in your breakout room? How was your experience?
And honestly, it's really good. It's my third times, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm really happy you held this platform and help
Right.
us for free to talk many things. And I think the emotions helps us in gain our speaking skill.
Right.
So I'd like to say thank you so much for making this exist.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your kind words, and I hope you know this kind of words that motivate us to conduct this kind of session again and again every day. The kind of good words that motivate us to create this kind of topics. So thank you once again, Shashi Raj, for having these wonderful questions. Anybody, MMR?
Yeah, thank you.
Anybody, Shirley wants to say anything? Baljit, you can free to talk for 2 more minutes. Then we will call off the meeting.
Yeah. Now I request Mrs. J. No talk now, please. Sasiraj, are you here? Please.
Yeah, I'm
speak
here.
up. Please speak up.
Okay, so the
Mr.
thing
J,
is that
please mute yourself.
Okay.
today I
I'm
had some
worried about
problem. Today I had some problems, so I could not start. I could not initiate the topics. I could not initiate the questions. I could not explain the questions, right? But Jay had handled. He managed everything. So thank you very much, Mr. Jay. And for the improvement, I would like to say to you all that if you start recording yourself on any questions, the questions which are given by us, just start recording. Just pick any question on which you are comfortable. Just record your answer and watch yourself. And start bringing this kind of habit every day and compare your previous video to today's video. That do you get the improvement? Do you love to listen your video? If you start loving your video, that means you are improving. So this is the best way to judge yourself, to correct yourself. Okay, so you all have mobile phone, so use your mobile phone. So in this way, you can become good speaker, you can become good video planner. So utilize these kind of skills. All right, so this I wanted to say. So now it's a time to say goodbye. Please unmute yourself and say goodbye. All right.
And you will find this video on our YouTube channel, English Globally Family. I will upload this.
So,
Goodbye, guys.
I'll ask one thing.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.